Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to delete a group conversation on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the latest web update on your PC. If you're cleaning up old chats or just want to remove a group you no longer use, this quick guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your preferred browser and head over to x.com. Log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Once your homepage appears, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. There, you'll see several options like Home, Explore, and Notifications. Click on Messages to open your inbox. Inside the Messages section, you'll find all your direct messages and group chats listed on the left panel. Now, hover your mouse over the group conversation you want to delete. When you do this, a small three-dot icon will appear next to the group name. Move your cursor over to that icon and click on it to open more options. From the drop-down menu, select Delete Conversation. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete the chat. Remember, this action only removes the group conversation from your message list. It won't delete it for other members. Once you confirm, the group will instantly disappear from your inbox. That's all it takes to delete a group on XWeb. It's a simple process, but it's easy to overlook if you're not familiar with the latest layout changes. Taking a minute to clear old groups can really help keep your messages organized and your account looking clean. If you found this tutorial helpful, take a second to share it with someone who might need it too. And if you want more guides about managing your X messages, settings, and privacy updates, make sure to check out the next video.